You need to lose weight fast. You feel tired all the time. Your memory is failing and getting lost. The fat around your belly is huge. Your mood swings are interfering with your personal life. You are diabetic or have high blood pressure problems. Whatever your current situation, the keto diet may be the solution for you. So stay until the end of this video so you don't miss any details and get the gift we have prepared to make it easier for you to stick to the keto diet without starving yourself and eating delicious food. By adhering to the keto diet as your eating lifestyle, your body will go into ketosis, which is nothing more than your body using fat as its main fuel, and not sugar. In this process, your liver will manufacture the so-called ketone bodies, which will power your body and facilitate natural and lasting weight loss. The time it takes for your body to go into ketosis is relative and will depend on your eating and health history, but by following a keto diet plan correctly, it is a matter of a few days in most cases for your body to start using fat as energy. But how to start the keto diet the right way? Here are 5 amazing tips to make your life easier. First of all, clean your kitchen of non-ketogenic foods. Start by removing flour and sprinkles from your pantry, and say goodbye to sugar, honey, fruits, grains, and legumes, such as beans, lentils, peas, quinoa, corn, rice, and others. Then go to the supermarket and buy foods that are part of the keto diet. Take home a good butter, olive oil, fat and coconut oil, bacon, lard, sardines, salmon, leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, avocado, cheese, fatty meats, cream, eggs, nuts and walnuts, apple cider vinegar, mushrooms, and some natural sweetener such as stevia, sucralose, xylitol, etc. This way you will already be prepared to start an excellent keto diet plan, reducing exposure to other foods not interesting for this diet. Start practicing intermittent fasting. If you come from a routine with lots of unhealthy snacks and full of carbohydrates, you will not get used to fasting overnight. Start by eating 3 times a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Don't put intermediate snacks in between, eat dinner early and have your coffee as late as you can. This is your first step in adhering to intermittent fasting in this new phase. If you feel hungry during the day, increase the amount of good fats and proteins in the main meals, but without exaggerating. If necessary, bet on snacks like avocado, cheese, bacon slices, quail eggs, and a few nuts and walnuts. As a 4th tip, know what to eat in the keto diet. Here are some examples of the main meals. Omelets, bacon, hard-boiled eggs, and coffees with healthy fats for breakfast. For lunch, you will eat meats, vegetables sautéed in butter or coconut fat, olives, and salads with olive oil. An ordinary lunch, but without flours, grains, and legumes. For dinner, you can repeat the lunch if you want something more conventional, or make custards with cream, avocado, lemon, and coconut if you prefer something sweet. In the keto diet, your body is driven by fat, so in a few months instead of wanting sweets, you will want cheese, salami, eggs, butter, and other sources of good fats. Finally, don't count calories, protein, and fat, focus only on carbs. Start your keto diet by focusing on what matters, which would be eating very low carbs. Don't exceed 50 g of total carbs each day. If you prefer, use a table that shows the macronutrients of each food to control your diet in this initial period. In case you don't notice much difference in your weight after a few days following the diet, reduce carbohydrates even more and increase fats and proteins if necessary. To make it easier for you to stick to the keto diet and to thank you for following the video so far, click on the link in the description and download a complete book with 21 delicious keto recipes to change your menu. Get your gift and enjoy. Subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new content and leave your like, because it is very important to us. See you soon.